Next part I'm going to make is this linkage peg. I'm going to use a revolve to make it. So I'm going to start out drawing this line right here. It's going to be 0.0625 divided by 2 because I'm doing the radius. So I click line, I'm going to come over 0.0625 divided by 2 and then hit enter. So it gave me that part of the peg. Then this comes up to 0.25. So I'm going to go straight up, 0.25, enter. Then I'm going to go ahead and make a straight line over. I'm going to dimension that in a second. Then I'm going to do the line going all the way up. It says to the top is 0.325. So a line from here all the way up is 0.325. Okay. Now I'm going to dimension. I'm going to go from this outside point to here is going to be 0.15. It didn't give us that dimension. I had to kind of make it up myself. Then I'm going to put an arc in here that's 0.1562. So I'm going to do an arc from here to here, 0.1562. Okay, so there's the thing I'm going to revolve in order to get this linkage pen. So I'm going to revolve. If you notice, it already says it selected the profile. That's the blue part it chose there. There's still a pink arrow for axis, which means I need to deal with that. So I'm going to click axis, and it's asking what axis do I want to revolve this around. I want to revolve around this center line right here. And there is my linkage pin. So that was for this linkage peg. You're going to do the exact same process for the hitch peg. So I'm not going to model that one. So parts 4 and 6 are 4 and 8 are very similar. So that should help you get that part.